In this video, we're going to explore the marketplace. It is a place where we can post ads and search listings. In this case, we're going to post an ad that we're selling for a short description of the lamb. So test only. It's a Dorper. We're located in Benque. The price is $300 for testing only. We can include a picture of the lamb. My name is Carlos Leon. It's very important that you put in your phone number so people are able to contact you. Also an email. I want people to be able to send me an email, so the advertisement will add it successfully. The same way, I want to post an ad that I want something. Looking for BBB in Cayo district. Maybe okay, I can put my location. I'm in Benque. I am willing to give up to $500 and write a description. I'm looking for a BBB I can use for breeding stock. My name, and of course, if I want people, it's very important that people are able to contact me. Now, these ads, only farmers who are registered in the system are able to post ads, but the listings are basically public, and the listings are available through the site, so not only through this link. For example, if I want to see anybody who's selling in the Belize district, nobody's selling anything. Let me see the Cayo district. Oh, I see they're selling a Dorper. Okay, I can look at the details, and okay, see, I can see people can email me or they can call me to my phone number directly. Let's see if they want any. Yes, they want Barbados Black Belly in the Cayo district, and if I click for the details, I get the contact information. And basically, this is the marketplace where farmers and other people interested in getting into the business of breeding sheep can search and exchange animals.